Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Devin. Today we're playing some l4d2.
And I'll be just right here offshore looking for you. When y'all get the gas.
Yeah, today we're playing some l4d2.
Get the gas, get back to shore, signal Virgil with the flare gun and the gun bag.
Today we're playing some l4d2. You guys know the gist. Like the video.
Tell me someone brought the gun bag.
What gun bag?
Like
Me? I told Nick to grab the gun.
Me?
Like the video for a Roblox virtual item code and subscribe for a free duck.
Damn burger tank I have ever visited.
You are gonna kill some zombies with me.
If you wonder why the zombies are like glitched out and like their hair is white and like and all that stuff, I have no idea, dude.
Out of gas. There goes the milk.
All I'm happy is that I can still play the game.
Look out now! Watch out! No! Hunter! Hey, watch out!
That's a nasty damn wreck.
Watch out!
Hey, what's up, bro?
Through this playground.
Yeah, dude, like I said, I have no idea why the heck the zombies are like black and stuff, but like
I'ma reload.
bro, go die.
Chest. Oh hell.
Oh crap, I didn't bring my med kit.
Reload.
Oh.
Reload.
Yeah, bro, and the zombies are like glitching out for
Let's
some
cut through the
reason.
garage sale.
Look out. Look out now.
They got
Boy.
oh, and they got my favorite shotgun. Wait a minute. Wait, hold up real quick.
Watch out.
Get this. Ooh, that must have hurt. Crap, tanks around here. He's right there. Oh!
Whoa, whoa! Shoot the tank!
Look out. Hey, look out.
Oh! Tank jumper! Jump the tank! Bro, did y'all see that? I just broke the tank's ankles, bro!
Reloading.
Bro, did y'all see that? I just broke the tank's ankles, bro.
Coming.
Oh, we got a jockey around here.
I picked this up just for you.
Thanks. Reloading.
Hey, what's up, bro?
One of those leaping on your
Anything
Reloading.
back here? What's up? Oh crap, come on.
There's a safe room up there.
Nick! failure.
Reloading.
Bro, Nick, get in here, bro.
Woo! Yeah, baby!
Bro, I literally just juked the tank up, bro. That was crazy, man. Yeah, I literally wiped out half the zombies with a melee. Ooh, boomer bile and pills. And a med kit. Even though my health is at green, I don't care. Wait, let me get this one. This is a good sniper.
There's the sugar mill.
Oh yeah, now they're back. Oh, now they're back to normal. Okay, now they're back to normal. Now they're all back to normal.
Come on, this way.
Oh my god, it's a fort! Bro, that kind of... Wait, I have some serious lore theories on this now.
Reloading.
Ooh.
Reloading. I'm reloading. Reloading.
I think we're supposed to go up here.
Sounds like a smoker.
Got him. Ooh! Oh, mi faca seco! La vista!
Man, I'm fine. But let's not waste time chit-chatting. Thanks.
Thank you for healing me.
That's what I'm talking about.
Thank you for healing me, bruh.
Up that ramp.
Watch out.
Hunter, where? Hunter. Oh, my casa! Oh, put him on the tank! Yes, 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 yes! Yeah, we beat the tank, boys! Oh my god, bro, is there a wait a minute, I got something. Wait, I got a present for the witch real quick. Oh.
Witch! Witch!
Oh! Hey, let's snipe. Nah, we gotta back up. We gotta back up a little first. Oh!
Reloading. Storm's starting to kick up.
I think we're supposed to go down. No! Oh! Oh! Wait, let me back up real quick. Oh, never mind.
Dang.
Aha! Okay, I'm gonna stop.
Wait, reloading.
Okay, I'm gonna stop shooting the witches because I don't want to get my luck up too high. Okay, so we've been running through the sugar mill for the past like 18 minutes. I think I know where I'm supposed to be going, but I'm not an expert because I ain't ever played this map. Aye! A good weapon.
Get out of the goo! Sniper for me.
Bro, where the crapola is this exit? Is it out the... Oh, it's out... Hey, what's up, Hunter? Hey, what's up?
Up here.
I think it was... Yeah. I think Coach has the right idea. Wait, let me get this real quick, man.
I hear a truck.
Oh!
God damn it. What's with all these witches?
Oh! Oh, wow!
Anyone need some pills?
Now we can one-shot the witch. Oh! Go to hell! Yeah, we're supposed to go up here. Oh no!
Reloading.
Oh no!
I'm down! Charger! Shoot! Go stand there!
Oh my god! Just shoot the charger! Bro, why, man? Why?
Thanks. No problem, Coach. No pain, no... Yeah. That'll hold me.
Okay, so now we just run up here, cause that was crazy, man. So now I gotta watch out for two things, chargers and jockeys. That's just wonderful. Cause holy crap, that charger.
They beat my ass fair and square.
Jesus. Welcome to Witchville.
More witches.
Oh!
It's on! Boomer!
He's bashing me in the skin!
Come on, guys, let's go. Go. Oh, hurry up.
Elevator's here!
Come on, come on.
Watch out!
Oh, thanks for wasting your med kit, man.
That's what I'm talking about.
Oh, we gotta run. Oh, we're dead now.
There's a smoker around here.
Okay, so this is going here is the right way. So, okay, so now we're going the right way. Okay, we're at the right place now.
Hey, watch out!
Alright.
Hey, there's gas in the safe room.
No, safe room, my five.
Baby, that is how that's done.
Now that is how that's done. We're safe. For now. Yeah, I was originally gonna do this video with Bofar, but he deinstalled Left 4 Dead, not because of anger, but because like he's going out like. Yeah, I was originally gonna do this with him, but he's like, nah, I'll do it some.
Alright. Everybody got a gas can? I do not want to make this trip twice.
I got mine.
Let's head back to the boat.
Wait, is there a gas? Wait, is there a gas can? Man, but I feel like we're gonna need a fast gun for this, so.
Reloading!
Reloading!
Reloading.
Oh no!
Reloading!
Retrace our steps. Head through the field.
Oh nah. It's my bad for not bringing. Bro, if a tank comes in this field, that's actually gonna scare the legitimate crap out of me. Oh yeah, there's a tank. Now we gotta kill him with the gun because there was no boomer bile or Molotov. So he's gonna come through there. Where is he at? Cause he should be coming here any second. Where's he at? Where's he at? Come on. I think the tank's there. The tank is definitely there. Wait, did he?
Ready, storm coming.
Stick together. Take the elevator back up.
Come on. Elevator back up. Elevator back up.
Coach, stop shooting me.
On, man. Boys. We need to get back to Virgil with our ghost guns. We need to get back to Virgil with our ghost. Here, charger. Well, where the crap is he? Okay, so you said retrace our steps. So that means we gotta head back over here. So that means if we head back over here, this is our... So that means we're supposed to go back here.
Reloading. Reloading.
That's the sugar coat thing.
Hey, I'm reloading.
That was a sugar coat thing. Okay, so now this is where we're supposed to be headed. So this is the big one.
I'm gonna reload.
I do have a pipe bomb. Oh, they got it now.
Nobody wander off.
Oh crap. Back up the escalator. Yeah. This is where we're... Wait, oh my god, I'm actually so confused. We're retracing our steps. Should mean... Are we supposed to go back down the stairs or up the stairs? I'm actually so confused, because we're supposed to... Okay, so we're definitely supposed to be going down the rails. So I'm right. So that's sure a pleasure. Okay, so we're supposed to be heading back this way. Why do I not have my flashlight turned on? Oh.
You got a boomer! Boomer!
Oh.
Reload! Shit, getting angry. Journalist! That hit the spot.
Guess I'll take this Uzi because we're not.
Look out!
Up this pipe!
Reloading.
Up the pipe. Okay, up the pipe, guys. Come on, come on. Up the pipe, guys.
Close here! Reloading!
That was a close one. Okay, up the pipe, up the pipe, up. Oh! Okay. Okay, so this is where we're supposed to be, because we went bad.
These zombies are trying to kill me.
Yep, we're totally going the right way.
I hear a boomer.
Yeah, we're totally going the right way now. Yep, guys, come on, come on, come on. Come hell and high water. What? Okay. So through here. Come on, through here. Oh, crap, hold up. I'm gonna take these.
Reloading!
No trespassing. Might as well trespass anyways, because the hell and high water is
Back
coming.
the way we came.
Yep, back the way we came. Come on, boys. Come on.
Can you close that door?
We got the gas.
Yeah!
That actually scared the crap out of me, bro. Literally. I did no damage because I'm not trying to fight the witch right now. I'm just trying to go back. Come hell and high water. Oh crap, it's still raining outside. Oh crapola. Okay, it looks like we need to get another automatic, so I guess this AK will do the job. This AK should do the job. Scared of the tank right now.
Town's flooded.
It's like a fabled city of Atlantis.
Yeah, we're going back the way we came, so this is definitely the right way. Yep, definitely the right way. We should be able
I
to...
remember that porch light.
Yeah, this is the right way. We're headed the right way. Walking on fire. That's not a very... Have fun with the table, buddy. Oh, holy crap, the town is flooded. Oh my goodness. Oh. Dying right now would be the scariest thing in my life. Crap, that's a dead end. Wait, no. Crap, dead end. Yep, that's a dead end. Come on, come on. We are going the right way. Wait, just retrace our steps. The garage cell was back there. So now...
Get ready to toss that bitch.
Might need this. Might need this. Yep, medic truck, we're heading the exact right way.
Reloading.
I mean, I was gonna use that for the witch, but... Christ, that hunter.
Reloading!
Alright, come on, come on! Yep, we're heading the right way. Virgil, here we...
We're close.
Here we come, Virgil. Here we come. Here we come, Virgil. We're coming
There's
back.
that busted up truck.
Virgil, here we come. Yes, boy. Yeah, Virgil, we're returning.
Boat ain't far. One last push and we out of here. Get your asses in here.
Bro, come on, bro. Ellis.
Come on.
Just take it.
Thanks, man.
Thanks, Nick. You all right.
Oh,
Stick together. Woo! Ha! We're cool.
oh my goodness, bro. Oh la 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 la. Oh my goodness. We're almost there, and I'm happy for that. Holy Christ, bro. Dying in that storm would be terrifying. I can understand why people were scared of Left 4 Dead growing up. Holy crap.
Let's go. Almost back to the boat.
What are we supposed to signal him with?
If we fire up the burger tank sign, Virgil might see.
Burger tank?
Like a plan.
Signal the boat with the burger sign. Oh crap. I should have grabbed that typo. This is gonna get us a lot of attention.
I have never been so happy to see a burger tank. And believe me, I have been happy to see some burger tank. Sounds good.
Oh yes, an iPhone. Hey Sita, take this.
Shit, this
10
ain't gonna
cheers
be
for
good.
Sita. I launched that at the very wrong time.
Damn it! Go! Ammo up here. Cover me for a sec. I gotta heal.
I'm at 45 health, so it's really... Oh crap. Okay, no, better weapon, yes! Very, very dangerous, kids. Just remember, kids, try this in the real world. Remember, guys, don't try this at home. Go shoot some, that's just the joke. Don't actually, that's it though. Tutorial, dangerous react videos would be like, yeah, do not try this at home. We are trained professionals. Oh, that's a tankle. Hey, tell him I got a surprise for him. Tell him I got a surprise for him. Hey, Tank, I got a surprise for you, bro. Bro, I got a surprise for you real quick. How do you like it? You dead? Oh, you dead. Ah, crap.
Grabbing me a Molotov.
Oh my god, there's still more! Virgil, get back here! Virgil, get back here, man! Virgil, I can't...
Reloading!
Virgil! Hey guys, check this out. I'm gonna put that there because... I'm gonna put that there because they're gonna try to... Oh! I don't understand how those guys didn't die, but they're very supernatural.
Reloading!
If a zombie invasion were to happen, I love how people say, use a melee weapon. Bro, just use a gun, man. I don't care if ammo supplies are gonna be out of stock, bro. And then just start using a chainsaw to kill them all.
Bitches around. Heads up, go!
We need to protect Ellis and us. Another tank? Bro, another tank, man. When he comes, I gotta surprise. Oh! Please tell me that we're no, that didn't for now. Oh, we're wrong. We're bad. We're done. We're donezo. We're donezo. That Molotov missed. If we don't speedrun kill him. Oh! Virgil! Virgil! Come back! Come back, Virgil! Is the rest of you here? Okay, there's a big pause. The rest of you must be here, right? Come on! Rescue's here? Rescue here? Bro, a third wave of this stuff, man? No! Oh, crap. Give me up, give me up, give me up! Fire the rock, kill the tank. Come on.
Everyone in the boat!
Get to the boat. Get to the boat. Come on. No. Rush out. Come on. Come on. Russell, come on. I'm going to shoot you until you get here. Done. 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 Oh. Dun 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 dun. Come on, vote me to skip. Alright guys. Alright guys. Oh crap, that was fun. Now, screen may be frozen at a certain zombie, but I'm about to piece this out. Alright guys, you know the deal. Like it. Alright guys, just remember, like and subscribe for a Roblox virtual item. No, like for a Roblox virtual item code and subscribe for a free duck. Peace out.